Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim wa sallallahu ala Sayyidina Muhammad. We're back with ayahs number 46 and on in Surat al-Baqarah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. We are here now. Hamzat al-Wasl appearing in the beginning of an ayah. We so far in our lessons we haven't had too many of these, but this would be a alladina. Okay, so this takes a fatha. Some of the masahif, some of the Quranic copies, in some of them may have the movement there if it's a fatha, kasra, or dhamma. Some do not. At times it is something that requires a little bit of the Arabic language to be able to read it. الذين يظنون أن. This is a hamza followed by a noon and shadda. أنهم meme mixing with the other meme. So you hold it. أنهم ملاقو. There's a longer alif. So you read that as ملاقو, not ملاقو, but ملاقو ربهم وأنهم إليه راجعون وأنهم إليه راجعون. يا بني إسرائيل. Ya is extended there. Bani is extended with a mad here. Ra mad there. Ila with the ya extends the hamza just slightly. Isra'ila. This mixes straight into the dal with the sukoon. So you would say Ya bani Isra'ila dhkuru إسرائيل اذكروا نعمتي. This ya with a fatha there. نعمتي التي. So this is going to drop, go straight into the lam. نعمتي التي أنعمت. Many mistakes occur because often when we read, we think this is also an ayn, but it's not. So make sure you read the hamza and the an here separate. Read it always focusing just on the alif or a hamza and noon, okay? Allati an. Then once you read an, now focus on the ayn. Allati an'amtu alaykum وأني فضلتكم على العالمين. على, as usual, the first hamza drops, hamzat al-wasl, going straight into the lam with the sukoon. على ayn here is a long ayn, has an alif that extends it. على العالمين. واتقوا, the hamzatul wasl drops. This wav goes straight into the ta with the shadda. واتقوا يوما لا تجزي. This jim here is a qalqala, slightly shakes or moves or doubles slightly, not full double. يوما لا تجزي نفس عن نفس. This noon sakina joins with this noon. So you hold it and we'll say عن نفس شيئا. This mad'i, what they call it, if you're going to keep reading, you would say an nafsin shay'an, and then with the waw coming, shay'an wala. But if you're going to stop or take a pause, you would say an nafsin shay'a wala. But we're going to go back and read it continuous. عن نفس شيئا ولا يق. Why is it yuq? Because the qaf is qalqala. ولا يقبل منها شفاء. There's the longer alif. Fa gets extended. شفاعة ولا يؤخذ منها عدل ولا هم ينصرون. We ended on ayah number 48. Inshallah, until next time.